All right, this is DT Menace, and we're going to talk about guitar tone. Now, the very first thing, if you're going to play electric guitar, have an interface, do recording, all that type of stuff, if you can't just take your guitar and plug it straight into the interface and figure out how to get it to sound good, then you got to step back a little bit and learn that. Most electric guitars nowadays are going to be a little too powerful to just run straight in. So you got to learn to mess with your volume knob. But that's how you're going to get the first tone that you need to mess with is just take your guitar, plug it into the interface, and dial the settings so that you can turn your guitar knob down a little bit and get a good tone like this. It's a lot of people's first guitar riff. All right. So, what you're doing, what I like to do is use a modeler straight into the interface. And what you're doing when you do that, you're pulling the guitar signal down. You're actually squashing on it. So there's my dry tone. Here's a little chorus. Here's a little phaser. All right, so I'm just making this video up on the fly here. And that's what it takes to get a good tone for me. You know, you don't need an amp. You don't need any of that stuff. What you really just need is to go to the pawn shop and get you a modeler, you know, just some kind of old Digitech is what I use. But for you young guitar players that are just getting started, I promise you, take your electric guitar, plug it straight into the interface. Well, I tell you one pedal that really helps, and we're going to turn it on now. And that's a compressor pedal. That lets you get the tone right, the signal volume right going into the interface. So you get the picture. All right. So, first thing you want to do as a young guitar player is just play the thing straight into the interface. It'll teach you a lot about how much you're supposed to be pushing the volumes. Gain staging is very important. You don't need to know this yet. You just need to know if you want to play guitar today and you want it to sound good, all you really need is a good guitar and a compressor pedal, and you'll go right to the interface. Beautiful, clean. It's a hard chord to make. So I think I've reiterated it about 3 or 4 times here now. And I guess you'd consider this long format content, you know. But we're going to start doing these videos every day and just get our little bit of our knowledge and opinion on, you know, what makes a good guitar sound. I got a couple messed up frets. I need to take this guitar back to the shop. We didn't get warmed up, you know. I didn't sit here and, you know, I didn't sit here and get all good and ready and everything. I just been feeling it lately that this video needed to be made. It's, if you can't just take your guitar and plug it straight into the interface and figure out how to get a decent clean tone out of it, then you're never going to get anything decent sounding recording much unless you get lucky. Alright, so that's the end of this video for today, and maybe we'll put up another one tomorrow. Thanks a lot for watching. Like I said, again, this has been DT Menace, and I guess we'll call it the DT Menace Show for now.